Eddie Hearn has released yet more information on the breakdown of the relationship with Conor Benn. He said that he received the information around 6 days before the news broke and that he wasn't aware when the news was going to break and that he was offered a bung of cash.
And then there was something else, which was, we'll give you a few quid if you don't say anything bad, kind of thing. And I was like, we still want to work with you, and there's a few quid, like, you know. And it's gone to Frank Smith and Sean Palmer, who, you know, were kind of the main operators within the business. And we're all then straight on them. Have you seen that?
And Conor Benn has obviously said that he wants Eddie Hearn to still be in his corner and still be in some sort of role with him, which means maybe there's more to meets the eye to the situation with Conor Benn from 2022 that he wants to keep Eddie Hearn sweet about and, you know, not talk about. Look, it's all speculation. I'm not suggesting anything, but make up your own mind on that. Well, Eddie Hearn has said that they were given matching rights, and he has confirmed as well that there is an ongoing legal case.
Got to be a little bit careful because there's an ongoing legal situation.
They were given 3 days to match the deal. Now, Eddie has said that they did match the deal, but they also thought that 3 working days was just absolutely ridiculous commercially to be able to do that. Now, the one thing that he has obviously mentioned before is the one fight deal was the real sticking point at which they must have backed out and must have said, well, you know, we can't go any further with this because I just don't want to pay you 15 million or whatever the fee is for one fight to then have to try and re-sign you again. Now, the legal case that appears to be going in the background that Eddie Hearn has confirmed, I don't know what that is, but I get the impression that it's to do with how Conor Benn has been signed up to Zuffa Boxing. Is this actually going to be a one-fight deal? And then is Conor Benn going to be able to become a free agent and negotiate again? Would Eddie Hearn put a pitch in and say, do you know what, Conor? Let's see what you're all about. Let's see what Zuffa are all about. Do I actually have the ability to try and poach you back from them or to sign you up? Does Frank Warren have the ability to sign you up? Or is this all just a legally worded mess where, well, you signed up for one fight, 15 million quid, but after the fight, well, actually you signed up again. And if that is the case, I think that that's where Eddie Hearn feels he's got a case legally, and evidently he must believe so himself because he's set one up. Let us know down in the comments, what do you think about the Conor Benn situation now that Eddie Hearn has given more information?